So in the first lecture, we already told that we are going to cover these things. It will be lecture, and also in the next class, we will also see the how to select research topic, identification research gaps, trending research topic, and we will also do some practical work there. And after the second class, you have to form teams, okay, and submit a research idea. This title, what you are going to do, or your interest. We will ask you to submit this. This is the first task, and then we will cover. After selecting topic, you need to study a few related articles or research articles. So that's why you have to also choose the articles from the good quality journals and conference. So how to judge a journal or conference whether it is good or bad? There are some techniques. There are some okay websites. There are some platforms where you can check it. So we will provide a lecture on how to assess the quality of a journals or a conference or a publishers. So it will be lecture and practical also. Then we will teach you how to write a literature review or how to read papers, and it will include demonstration on practical part. And also while reading the related literature, you have to find out the research gaps, research question, the hypothesis, and setting hypothesis. Then we will also okay, give you some examples. I will provide some okay exercise to practice. Then you will achieve. You will learn how to find out the gaps or how to find out determine the research question objective. And the sixth class, after the sixth class, that is how to find out the gaps, research question, hypothesis. Then we will ask you to submit a report on literature review, at least 10 resources. You have to study and summarize them, and you have to prepare a report on this. This is the task 2. And then we will also teach you how to do design your research methods. There are several steps. And then we will show you the different types of articles, and then how to prepare a proposal. And then you have to prepare a proposal to implement your idea based on the knowledge we achieved in the previous part. And this is the midterm for this ongoing course. So after 8 lectures, 8 lectures, there will be a break for 1 month or 2 weeks or 3 weeks. We will discuss and decide. And you have to prepare a proposal based on your selected idea. So before that, you have to select a team or form a team. And then we will again provide feedback on your proposal, and also detailed demonstration of how to design the methodology, and we will revise it based on our guidance. Then submit the revised proposal report, and then we will show you how to evaluate your proposed method, maybe theoretical or experimental or lab or field-based activities. Someone will do survey, someone will do experiment. So many ways you can validate our proposed idea or proposed method. So we'll teach this. Then we will tell you to implement your idea. And again, we will show you how to represent your research result, to validate your objectives or your research questions, or your, sometimes we use hypothesis, how to validate them. Then I will teach them also. And again, and the lecture 12, we will cover how to do referencing, or how to do it using different tools, and it will include the practical portion. And we will ask you to submit the final reports or paper. This is task 6. And see, after 12 lecture, we'll ask you to submit the final. Why? Because then we will give you feedback. Okay. And after that, we will ask you what should not do by research, what to do, how to avoid the plagiarism, how to do it valid way. So we will teach these things in the lecture 13 and the lecture, and then we will also provide feedback on your submitted reports, and then we will show you how to submit your papers, and then we will submit the paper, and at the last we will provide you some publishing tips. And at the end, the best learners selected in different categories: participation, proposal report, presentation, final report or papers, or opportunity to join BRWF team or research project, as well as publications. So see, we have designed the course very extensive way. There is if you come here to achieve something shortcut, there is, oh, okay, I will join this course and I will be author of any papers. I have nothing to do. Please leave this course. This course is not for you. Okay, so you must have to work hard during the course. Do you have any confusion or any questions regarding the lesson planning? Please, do you have any confusion or question regarding the lesson planning? Please respond quickly.
Sir.
Any question, any confusion? Or need any clarification?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So that's our planning, and let's introduce me. Already you know about me, but it should be officially introduced myself. So I am Sabir Hossain in Bengali spelling and also Arabic spelling, as I am staying in Arabic countries. That's why I also put the name. And I am PhD research and graduate teaching assistant at ICS department, KFUPM, Saudi Arabia. Also assistant professor, and I was ex-coordinator of the department. Also, I was former tutor, Bangladesh Open University, and I was working as national mentor of Innovator Program. You know, the Innovator Program is trying to convert the university thesis or business or research idea into the business venture. So it promotes to become entrepreneur or new company journey. And I am working as a editor of Sigma Journal of Natural Science and Engineering. This is a Yıldız Technical University, Turkey. This is the official journal, and it recently indexed in Scopus and Web of Science, alhamdulillah. So I am working as editor of this journal, and I am also advisory board member of SUSCOM, Sustainable Computing Conference, consecutive 2 years in India. Also, I am working as chair publicity committee of second edition conference on forthcoming networks and sustainability of in the IoT era. That means it also in Turkey. And I am the initiator of BRWF BD as well as BRWF World Forum online platform. This is some academic profile, and I have already more 37 research articles published. And my research interests are algorithms design, machine learning, recommendation system design, augmented reality, computer vision, cybersecurity. Additionally, I am working collaboratively people from home and abroad, and I also work from industry academic collaboration. And I am my ICT master trainer on how to use ICT in education. And in my student life, I was independent freelancers. Maybe it matches with someone. And these are my contact information. You can visit my personal websites, to learn more about me. And these are my other profiles like Google Scholar, ResearchGate, YouTube, or Facebook, LinkedIn. Feel free to connect with me on different platforms. Okay. So that's all from my side, and here is the link of my personal website and my research profile.